trash ain't got it on a second. Just finished up at the bank, already shopped at the store. Now let's head home and get this video started. Today we're gonna be doing our first mods to the car. It's not really a mod, it's more of just like a maintenance cleanup on it. The headlights, as you can tell, aren't the cleanest. And you know, I wanted to look a little better than that. And I went to the store yesterday where I work at and got this turtle wax. It's the Headlight Lenser store, $10, pretty cheap. I'm not sure how well it's gonna work. So we're gonna try it out today and see if it works. The first thing we need to do though is clean up the headlights, make sure we get all the dirt off, the dirt that's just sitting on it, and put some masking tape around the edges of the headlights. That way it doesn't affect the paint job, like around this and around that. First little thing we're gonna do is take this here tape, and like I said, outline the outside of the headlight, that way we don't affect the paint. It's all taped up. Should be good right there with that amount on there. Just found out that we have some McGuire's lens cleaner in the garage. Pretty sure it's missing some spings, so I'm just gonna use this turtle wax for now and see how it comes out. If not, I'll give that a try. Let's use this side. So I'm not sure how much to put on. Just put that much on. A little bit of a dab. And it's a swirling motion, so see what happens. There we go. So, spray to this, side one, spray with acid, and sand it apparently. So, I don't know if you can tell, but that's definitely a difference in that compared to that.
You already tried.
Oh, fucking hammer down there, bud.
Oh yeah. That looks really good already.
tell, but we decided to use the McGuire pad with the stuff that blew up in my face. Clean the lens. You can tell there's a huge difference. Like, look at that, and look at this. Like, look at this difference. Now for lens number 2. Now it's time to start doing what we did the first time. For the final installment of the headlights, we're going to take the base cleaner, wipe both headlights down, and take the ceiling wipes and wipe both headlights down. The box recommends me to use this here glove when I'm touching both these pads. So I'm going to throw these gloves on, and here we go. Glove going on. Got the base one in my hand. Gonna take this one. I think it's just one pad. Rub both headlights with it real quick. Make sure you get both headlights all over it. The entire thing. And switch over. And get the second headlight. There we go. Take this one out. Do the same step over again. Headlight done. Like, look how clean those headlights are compared to when you guys first saw them. So clear. Like, it's crazy. Oh. If you're wondering why I have all this white stuff all over my shirt, when I was trying to squirt this here McGuire's bottle out, the the side exploded, went all over me like that. Luckily, unlike the other bottle of turtle wax, it didn't go in my mouth, but it did go in my eyes. I'm not sure if I got that, but it went in my eyes. Well, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed what you just watched. I enjoyed cleaning my headlights up a little bit. They look a lot better in my opinion. Now I'll be able to see a little better at nighttime. With this car, I promise you, things are going to come that you're going to want to watch, you're going to enjoy. So don't miss out. I promise you that. And my friend got this really sick Integra. So when he gets that thing running, you don't want to miss that. I promise you that. Till then, peace.
I think too much, I drink too much, but that's okay.